Most people get this wrong when trying to get paid early with Chime. They think it's something they need to apply for separately or activate through a hidden setting. Here's the truth, no one tells you. For many eligible users, getting paid early is usually tied to how direct deposit is set up, not to a special application process. In this video, you'll learn how Chime's early direct deposit feature works in 2026, how to set it up correctly, and the most common reasons people don't receive their paycheck as early as expected. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that early direct deposit depends on your employer or payer sending payroll information to the banking system. When that information arrives early, Chime may make funds available before the official payday. That's why some users receive their paycheck earlier than they would with a traditional bank. So, how do you get it? Step 1 is setting up direct deposit with your employer, payroll provider, or benefits provider. You'll typically need your Chime account information, including the routing number and account number associated with your account. Once your employer processes the change, future paychecks can be sent directly to your Chime account. But here's the problem. Many people expect early direct deposit to start immediately. This is where most people fail. Payroll systems often need one or more pay cycles to process account changes. If you recently switched your direct deposit, you may need to wait for the update to fully take effect. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even after direct deposit is active, early access is not guaranteed for every paycheck. Why? Because the timing depends on when payroll information is submitted by the employer. Let's look at an example. Imagine Alex and John both use Chime. Alex's employer submits payroll data several days before payday. John's employer submits it much later. Alex may consistently receive funds earlier, while John may not see the same timing advantage. That's something many users don't realize. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to avoid delays. First, verify that your account information was entered correctly with your employer. Even a small mistake can cause deposit problems or delays. Next, make sure your payroll department has confirmed that the direct deposit update has been processed. Now here's the easiest way to maximize your chances of receiving funds early. Use direct deposit consistently and avoid changing payroll accounts frequently. Stable account activity helps create a smoother payment process over time. The bottom line is simple. To get Chime early direct deposit in 2026, set up direct deposit correctly. Allow time for payroll changes to take effect. And understand that the actual timing depends largely on when your employer submits payroll information. The key takeaway is that early access starts with proper setup and realistic expectations. If this guide helped you understand how Chime Direct Deposit works, hit the like button, subscribe for more banking and finance tutorials, and let me know in the comments how early you've received your paycheck using direct deposit.